Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. If it's your first time here on the channel, this is the hill project that we're building for one of our subscribers here on the channel. It's a 6 unit apartment, and at the moment we begin with the foundation footing, concrete casting, and also erecting the pillars. As you can see, the foundation is really, buried in the ground. It's really deep. We already did the basement, which you see the guys are working on top of the basement. So we are about to begin with the foundation block work to connect the basement.
This is the foundation. Part is very close to this room, so meaning the machine cannot do it. May collapse the rooms down. So this is where it were able to reach, where man have to continue. So later when we fill this, man is going to continue up to the edge of it. Machine cannot do everything. Man too cannot do everything. So we are managing all the two, taking all the two into consideration. That's how it goes. This is how huge the building is going to be. You can see this is the floor, the beginning of the floor. You turn it around. In this place, two maybe joints to it. That's the foundation. Up it goes to where the building is. The small security post is. This is how huge the building is. It's not easy, but yes. The tipper driver is afraid to come closer. He's afraid of the slope, so he deposited half here. He couldn't stand even the balancing. So this is the sun. Half is that at the other side. He deposited half there and then brought the rest here. He couldn't stand the slope. There are many people who fear to bring their cars in here. So by the way, we have to get this cleared first and see if the block also can come in. That is what is ongoing. Management of space. So whenever there is a huge concrete thing and others, then we have to bring in the backhoe, which can load the materials up closer to us. Because when you don't take care and a tipper drop from this area, then meaning is going. So they are cautious. And it's good to be cautious too. So that's it.
So after the concrete casting of the footings, which is the foundation trenches, and mounting the pillars, the columns, so they begin with the block work. So from here we'll see the shape of the foundation, which we're going to continue with the basement that we've already done. So you can see from here, you can see how big the whole apartment will be and it's going to be 3 levels, and it's going to be 6 apartments, 6 units in all. So you can see how wide and how big the whole project is, which is on the hill facing the ocean, and also we'll have a community down there. So it's very good investment, if you have this property, for sale or for rentals. I think it's a good site. And you can see from the background, the houses around are all nice houses, big houses in the neighborhood. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly please do so. Like the video, to motivate the team.
Eh? Is it going? Okay. The level's not far. Kakra kakra. Okay. Saa na ɛbɛyɛ kakra kakra ɛbɛkɔ. We are almost going to finish the block. Now this is the rear size of the project. From here, the rear shape.
So the block work for the foundation still continues. In my next episode, we're gonna cast the foundation pillars, which you see right there. We're gonna cast all the pillars, and then what we have to do is to do the filling. And one most important thing that we have to do is also to connect the basement to the foundation itself, and we're going to use the beams and then the columns. So we're going to use the foundation columns to connect with the basement beams. So I'll explain that in my next episode, and that's how we build on a hill. That's how we connect the two, two separate structures together, the basement and then the foundation itself. So thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get do we